Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the silver market still remains bullish since the implications from the divergence that we saw earlier in the week. The last 4 days has held to a bullish stance and looks towards that $16.15 since the flash crash of last Friday. A break above 15 would see further scope to the upside and look towards a target of $16.45 to 50. With any pullback, should find support now around $15.60 and firmer beneath at $15.20. Moving on to gold, the price action overnight was relatively firm as the market hit a high of 1,225 before backing away. Overall, I still expect to see further upside challenges and retest that level of 25 and could see a further scope up towards 29 to 32 where this downtrend comes in. A break above there would give further scope to the upside and bring in a target around 45 and reassess from there. Any pullback on the day should find support, currently holding now at 1,215 and firmer beneath at 1,209. Well, the Australian dollar is attempting to try and take on this challenge as the market looks towards the highs now seen at 76.90 this morning. Overall, I still expect to see the market foul towards the top side of this 77 handle and clearly firmly above here at 77.40 should find supply and eventually see the market fall away. What is interesting is the fact that the indicators aren't fully bullish to support this current rally, and if we see a rejection from that 77 handle, should see the move towards the support that now comes in at 76.45 and firmer beneath here where I've highlighted at 75.70 and reassess from there. Well, the euro took a stab to that top side of 114.85 and was rejected clearly, as you can see. What is interesting to see is the market is actually still holding to a slightly bullish tone, but I'd still expect to see any advances towards that top side of 114.85 to be repeated and fouled like last night. Support now comes in at 113.80. Now a break beneath that trend line would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 113.15.30 to 112.40.45 and reassess from there where I've highlighted it here. In the event we do get a break above that 114.85, so I am still a little bit concerned that the US dollar has still not fully recovered on the index. A break above 114.85, as I mentioned, would see an advance towards the recent 2-year highs, which should fail, as you can see over the last 3 attempts, above that 115 handle. So I still expect to see good opportunities to shorten the market towards this region of 115.30 to 115.75.80. Well, the dollar yen is breaking down and it took out the 113.55 support overnight and breaking beneath that trend that now looks towards the next target of 112.70.80. A break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 111.80 to 112.10 where I've highlighted where all these peaks and troughs come in. I expect to see a recovery from there and see a firm recovery from the bulls and take the market back to the recent highs. So for those who are looking to trade this market, I would still wait on the sidelines before attempting to buy it because the indicators are slowly unwinding out of an overbought situation here. And to wrap up with sterling, not a lot has changed overnight and still confined to the range of 127.70 to 129.30. Although there is a slight recovery coming through here from the overnight, I expect to see this to fail and look back towards the downside target of 127.70 and reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day that's ahead of us.